Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off screen lock sounds on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. In sounds and vibration, scroll down again and you can see the screen lock sounds. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on. And okay guys, to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off screen lock sounds on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.